Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Windows Update error code 0x80240061. There were some problems installing updates, but we'll try again later. If you keep seeing this and want to search the web or contact support for information, this may help. And then usually it'll say the error message. In this case, it might be the Intel Corporation driver update for Intel Management Engine interface. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the start menu, type in troubleshoot. Best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select additional troubleshooters on the right panel here. Underneath Get Up and Running, select Windows Update, resolve problems that prevent you from updating Windows, and then select Run the Troubleshooter. Alright, hopefully I was able to identify the problem in your case. Otherwise, you can close out of here. Open back up the start menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in SFC followed by a space and then /scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard and begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, close out of here, restart your computer, and then hopefully that should have been able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.